Hi everybody, my name is Arunas. I'm a co-founder at Callsy.ai, and today I wanted to introduce you this awesome AI assistant helper that's going to help you convert some of those abandoned checkout users and turn them into paying customers. Now, we've been testing this model throughout years. We've been working in the e-commerce field for over just about a decade and have great success stories behind building some of the 7-digit brands out there. But what we realize that a lot of the revenue gets lost or left on the table by just all of those users that don't finish the purchases. So this kind of a traditional funnel where customer add to carts and goes into abandoned checkout and then never really finishes the transactions. What we developed here is a new AI assistant that's going to help you convert those users into paying customers. The way it works is quite simple. So it's going to contact all of those abandoned checkout users by mobile phone, give them a call, have a really human kind of conversation with them, and offer them a discount. Also send them a personalized SMS with a checkout link so that the user can finish the transaction quite easily, smoothly, and hassle-free. We tested this model in different case studies, and for us, it really helped to recover almost 30% of those lost sales. That's a crazy amount, I think any business that runs e-commerce in today's world really appreciate that kind of volumes. And I invite you to check out yourself. So let's dive into the app itself and see how it actually works. It's really easy to set up. So first things first, let's maybe go back to the main page. It's really easy to set up. You can really just click activate, and that's all you're going to need to do. It's going to automatically pick all your abandoned checkouts that happen within 7 to 14 days, and they're going to call them up. Have a little human interaction, conversation, and ask if there's any problems. What the reason, what was the reasons that people haven't finished those transactions? Offer them a discount, and once the conversation is finished, send them this personalized SMS with a checkout link. Before you actually want to launch it, now what I really recommend is to do some test recoveries. So you can play around in here. You can also go into recoveries and create a fake sort of recovery. But let's, we tested out loads of them. So let's have a look at the way actually what you get for it, and how does it work. Now, once the conversation is going to be over, really kind of, advise you to have a call to see what kind of a level conversations they're having, because this is mind blowing. Feels like you're actually talking to a real person. No problem there. So what we did is we provide this quick summary for any user that had a interaction with the Callsy.ai e-commerce assistant, and it's also going to prompt these open questions so that if there is any problems, customers can actually say them. And if and for you, this is a great tool because in this specific case, a customer had a problem with a shipping into Germany. So, in this way, you can also catch any of the problems that maybe your site has, your shop has, and, you just left unseen. And for whatever reasons, you can then test it, see if it's a valid problem, fix it, and then potentially increase your revenues as well as you move along. In addition, you're also going to get a nice transcript. So this transcript is just going to, outline all of the things that are, the conversation have been had. It's going to offer these discounts. And if you want to tweak as well something in this AI bot, you can also tweak in the AI prompting. So let's do that. Now let's have a look how to actually set up AI assistant. So it's fairly simple. You go in here, you got one of your AI agents. Now, we start from the naming. You give a nice name, whatever feels more comfortable for you. This is a female voice, so I would recommend to give it a female name. You're also going to tell a little bit about your brand and how, what you do and what's the name of your brand. And you're also going to tell them what are you selling and what's your business. You can keep it simple. You can keep it more advanced. It's totally up to you. Now, in here, we have the AI agent setup sort of instructions. It has some of these dynamic variable fields, so you can use them and you can rewrite your prompt. You can also instruct to have a first sentence. So in this case, we keep it quite clean and simple for you. But, maybe there's something else that you want to say, the agent. And then you have this full-on simple prompt that's going to help you to have a decent value conversation with your potential customers. Now, you can alter this the way you want it, but I would suggest always test it before making it live so that you're sure that you're happy with the result that you're getting there. In addition to that, you can also enter the discount codes that you want the AI agent to offer, and you specify what kind of a discount does it have. Now, once you do that, make sure that you also create a discount here in the discount tab. So in this case, I've created an off 15, which is a 15% discount for all of the purchases. Once that's done, that's it. We can ready to go live. Play around with it, see whether that works for you. If you have any questions, we're really looking forward to your, inquiries. You can send us a message via live chat, and we'll be happy to help you out, set it all up, help you set it up or answer any questions and inquiries that you have. Now, our plans start at really sort of, baseline. So that's $29 per month. And for this price, you get 50 phone calls a month, 50 SMSs. That's going to be a really great way to kind of test off and, start it off and see if it actually generates the result that you want. For the time being, there is no percentage fees for the recoveries or any of that. So it's just the price that you pay. And, the next plans are going to have $99, but it's going to give you more calls, more SMS, and etc. And since this is how we're beginning, we offer all of the features for free for those, early start users. That's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or my colleagues. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. And, I wish you having a great business, and hope that you're going to be able to grow your revenues using our AI assistant. Thanks so much, and greetings from Callsy team. Bye.